Hello students, today I would like to impart some information about the part 3 of the topic acid base salt chapter 2 of class 10 science. Our today's subtopic is pH scale and universal indicator. So we will know about each and everyone here. First we are taking the pH. Dear children, pH, it is a German term and the full form of this pH is potential of hydrogen ions. Meaning of this is the strongness or strength of the hydrogen ion. We can define the pH as follows. pH, it is negative logarithm of concentration of hydrogen ions in moles per liter. Means the concentration of the hydrogen ion is the negative logarithm of the concentration of hydrogen ion is equal to the pH. This is the mathematical formula for calculation the concentration of the hydronium ions. How? We will take an example here. First I will tell all these things theoretically, then we will do the practicals here with the help of the universal indicator. We will check the pH of the different solutions. We are having different kind of the solutions here. So dear children, if the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution is suppose 0.001 mole in 1 liter, it means it is 1 upon 1000. That is equal to 1 upon 10 raised to power 3, or when we will convert into the simplification form, then it will come 10 raised to power minus 3. This is the concentration of the hydrogen ion in moles per liter. Now we will put the value here. So pH is equal to minus log 10 raised to power minus 3. Here minus minus cancel. pH is equal to log 10 raised to power 3, and it can be written as pH is equal to 3 log 10, and the value of log 10 is 1. So pH is equal to 3 into 1 and pH is equal to 3. So like that we can calculate if the concentration of hydrogen ions is given in the question, then we can calculate or we can come to know about the pH of the solution. Now the second term here is pH scale. What is pH scale? We first know pH scale. Dear children, it is a measuring scale of pH. How? Here you can see this is the pH scale. Dear children, there are 0 to 14 digits over there, and it is categorized as for the acids. The different ranges are there. For acid the range is 0 to 7, means in between 0 to 7, or we can say below 7. For the base the range is more than 7, greater than 7 or more than 7, and for the neutral solutions the range of pH is exact 7. So this is the range of the pH for acids, base and neutral. Again I am telling you, for the acid the range of the pH in between 0 to 7, means it should be below 7, and for the bases it is more than 7, and for the neutral it is 7. This is pH scale. Then I tell you that how we calculate the pH of the given solution. Now as practically I will tell you that, dear children, this is the pH scale here, and inside this the paper you are observing just like litmus paper. I am turning up this, and this is as litmus paper you might have seen earlier. This is universal indicator, the third term of today's topic. Universal indicator it is made up by the mixing or combination of the several indicators. So now how do we check the pH of the solutions? I tell you example. Here in this tray you can see different kind of the solutions. The first is, this is sugar solution. I am having sugar solution. It is, we will take this universal indicator and dip into this. As we will dip, the color of this will change. You can see like this. Now this strip we will match with this universal indicator like this. So it is matching with this one. It means the pH of this is 7. It means the sugar solution is neutral. pH is 7. Now the second one, we are having the lemon juice in second one. Again I am taking the strip of this. This one is lemon juice. Lemon juice it is. Now I am taking lemon juice and this I am dipping into this lemon juice. It is, as we are observing, the color has been changed. Now we will match this with this strip. So it is matching with this one. It means the pH of this is below, and means approximate 5. So by this universal indicator we have checked the pH of this lemon solution. Now again we are having the milk. With the help of this strip I am dividing into two parts. In the milk solution I am taking and I am dipping into this. Now this is, the milk is there and the color of this is not changing so much, means it is just the matching with the color of the pH of 7. So it is, again we can say that approximate neutral. Now the last one, this is the tap water, the drinking water which we use at our home. So I am dipping into this and you will see the color of this. Again it is matching with the pH of 7, means again the neutral it is, and pH of this is 7. Now the next solution we are having the sodium hydroxide solution here. Sodium hydroxide. This is sodium hydroxide it is. So I am taking this into this test tube, some amount of this. Now I will dip this into the color, you can see first, then I am dipping into this. So what kind of the color we are observing here? The color is dark blue. It means the pH of this is here, last point is 11. So near about, it is dark, so it is near about 13 or 14. Now dear children, I will tell you about the nature. Just first we check the sugar solution. We had the pH 7. It means as per this table it is neutral. The second, lemon juice, we had the pH approximate 5. It means on this basis the range is of acids, means between 0 to 7. So nature of the lemon juice is acidic. Now the milk which was near about the 7, so it was near about the range of 7, so the nature of this is neutral. Now the water is again neutral because we had the range of this is near about 7. Now last, sodium hydroxide we took, and when we checked it, then we obtained the dark color and the range was, pH was near about 13-14. So we can say the nature of this is base because the pH is more than 7. So dear children, as by using this universal indicator we can check the pH of the different kind of the solutions. So I conclude here that today we discuss about the pH. What is pH? What is pH scale? Then universal indicator, and how do we check the pH of the different solutions. Thank you very much, students. If you had any kind of the query, then you can comment to me. Thank you.